guys, Justin from Electrified Marina, and today we're checking out the True Kit Discovery. It's a super lightweight inflatable catamaran. We're gonna get on board, drive it around, and it's paired with an ePropulsion motor.
The True Kit Discovery 330 is a fully inflatable catamaran with an aluminum transom rated for 15 horsepower. It's 10 feet 9 inches long and weighs 79 pounds, so it's really easy to move around. The inflatable fabric is Valmex, which is made in Germany and was picked because of its superior durability against mechanical and UV damage. The seams are also thermo-welded instead of glued for superior bond. The ePropulsion Navy 6 Evo was paired with 4.5 kilowatt hours of battery, and at full power, with two of us on board, we got about 12 miles per hour. However, we were missing a cavitation plate, and because of that, the propeller was aerating and pulling air from the surface, and we were losing thrust. We imagined that if we had the cavitation plate on there, we'd probably get 2 or 3 more miles per hour.
So we just finished up testing the True Kit Discovery with the ePropulsion Navy 6 Evo, and it is such a fun package. We were beaching it, we had a couple crew on board, and it's just such an awesome platform. It's super wide, very stable. You throw gear on board, you can pull it up to an island, have a lot of fun with it. Nothing but good things to say about the True Kit. And it's a super fun package, so thanks for checking it out with us.